Have you ever looked at your business phone system and thought, there has to be a better way? Maybe you're tired of clunky desk phones, tangled wires, and the high cost of maintenance. Perhaps you're a modern business with a remote team, and the idea of everyone being tied to a physical office phone is just, well, ridiculous. For a long time, traditional phone systems, often called PBX systems, were the only real option. You'd have a big, expensive box in a server room, and every phone in the building would connect to it. Want to add a new employee? Get ready to call a technician, run a new line, and pay for the privilege. It was reliable, but it was also rigid, expensive, and completely unsuited for the way we work today. Then came the internet, and with it, a new way to communicate. VoIP, or Voice over Internet Protocol. This is the technology that sends your voice over the internet as digital data packets, rather than through traditional copper phone lines. It's the backbone of modern communication, and it's what powers virtual phone services. So, when we ask, is RingCentral a virtual phone service? The short answer is a resounding yes. But to truly understand what that means, and why it's so important for your business, we need to peel back the layers and explore what a virtual phone service actually is, and what sets a leader like RingCentral apart from the pack. At its core, a virtual phone service is a cloud-based communication solution that provides all the features of a traditional business phone system, and then some, without any of the physical hardware. Instead of a PBX box in your closet, all the heavy lifting is done in the cloud. You access your phone system through an app on your computer, your smartphone, or a compatible desk phone. This gives you unparalleled flexibility. Your phone number isn't tied to a desk. It's tied to you. You can make and receive calls, send and receive messages, and even have video meetings from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. This is a complete game changer for remote and hybrid teams, as it allows for seamless communication no matter where your employees are located. But RingCentral takes this concept and amplifies it. They aren't just a virtual phone service. They are a unified communications platform. This is a crucial distinction. A simple virtual phone service might give you a business number and a few basic call features. RingCentral, on the other hand, integrates voice, video, team messaging, and even faxing into a single cohesive platform. Imagine a world where your team can jump from a chat conversation to a voice call, and then instantly escalate that to a high-definition video meeting, all without ever leaving the same app. This is the power of a unified platform. It eliminates the need for multiple, disjointed tools, streamlining your workflow and boosting productivity. Let's break down some of the key features that make RingCentral's virtual phone service so much more than just a way to make calls. You have features like an auto attendant, which greets callers with a professional message and routes them to the right department or extension. This alone can make a small business seem much larger and more professional. Then there's call routing, which can be customized to your specific needs. You can set rules to forward calls to your mobile phone after business hours, send them to a specific team member, or put them into a call queue. This ensures you never miss an important call and that your customers always get a quick and efficient response. Another huge benefit is the ability to easily add or remove users. As your business grows, you don't need to buy new hardware or pay for a technician to install new lines. You simply log into your account, add a new user, and they're ready to go. The same goes for if you need to scale down. This scalability is a fundamental advantage over traditional systems and is perfect for businesses that are growing or have seasonal staffing needs. And let's not forget the incredible analytics and integrations. With RingCentral, you get access to detailed reports on call volume, hold times, and agent performance, giving you actionable insights to improve your customer service and sales processes. Plus, it integrates with a wide range of business applications like Salesforce, Google Workspace, and Microsoft Teams, allowing you to seamlessly connect your communication tools with the other software you already use every day. So, is RingCentral a virtual phone service? Absolutely, but it's also a powerful engine for modern business communication. It's the difference between a simple phone and a smart communication tool. It's the difference between being tied to a desk and being able to work from anywhere. It's the difference between a siloed phone system and a unified platform that brings your entire team together. In a world where flexibility and efficiency are paramount, a virtual phone service like RingCentral isn't just a convenience. It's a necessity. It's the smart, scalable, and cost-effective way to power your business communications, no matter what the future holds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.